Several years ago, after a particularly difficult time in our business with a downturn in the economy that wasn't very good to us, we were able to turn a small profit, and we decided to put a stake in the ground in an expression of gratitude and do something a little bigger than ourselves. Then after a vision trip, we just thought maybe there was something else we could do. So as a mechanical contractor, we looked at the resources and talent that we had and thought we could leverage that to help train some kids in the area of welding, and they could develop a vocation that would be helpful to them in the next phase of life after they left the orphanage. And so we came down here, and this week we're here with the instructors to help train the trainers. We really hope to bring some good quality welding skills to a part of the world that just doesn't know what that's about.
Experiencia este pequeño seminario que tuvimos en Soldadura.
For me, it was a good experience of this seminar that we had.
Gracias a Dios, a Bernard que tuvo la gentileza de viajar del Ecuador hasta aquí.
And I give thanks to God and also to Gennard for got this land trip all the way down to Nicaragua for giving us this practice.
También gracias a Dios por ponerlo aquí, que nos siga incluyendo, alimentando de lo que Él sabe para nosotros saber, y así también entrenar a otros muchachos que tengan interés de aprender.
And thank God for what He done for us, and also thanking Him for what He feeds us of His knowledge, so that we can also teach others that we is longing to train to.